Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create conditional column in Power Query. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here you need to convert this data in table to load it into Power Query. So let's start. So simply select the inside the cell of this data and you can press here the shortcut key Ctrl T, convert this data into table. So here you can see the small dialog box is open, create table. The range here automatically selected. After that, just click on OK, and here you can see your data is converted into table. Okay. Now just click on the table and go to the table design. In properties group, you can change here the table name. So I just enter table 1. Okay. And after that, just click on again table, go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources. Okay. Then click on the from table or range option. And here you can see your Power Query editor is open. Okay. Now you can see the your table 1 data. Okay. So this is your table. Now I'm going to create conditional column. For that, just go to the add column tab. Okay. In general group, click on the conditional column. Okay. And you can see the one dialog box will open. Add conditional column. Okay. Add a conditional column that is computed from the other columns or values. New column name. So you can add here the new column name. So default is mentioned custom. So I add here the status. Okay. So I here status column. So first condition you can set here if, so column name you can select. So I select here the cells. Okay. My second column is a cells. So I select cells. Cells is greater than 5000. I set here the one condition. If cell is a greater than 5000, then output I want high. Okay. And you can add here the another condition also. Just click on the add clause. Okay. And else if cells is less than, so I set here less than or equal to 5000, then I want output is low. Okay. So that's it. So after that, just click on OK. If you want to add more, you can add here the condition as you required. Okay. I just click on OK, and here you can see the status column is added with the conditions status. Okay, the condition output. See the high. Okay, greater than 5000 is high, less than 5000 is low. Okay, so that's it. After that, just go to the home tab and in close group, click on the close and load. Okay, and here you can see in your Excel will load this table. Okay, wait for the few seconds, and that's it. Here you can see the status column is added as per the your conditional column. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.